Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathii na mbere wega. Winrose Wangui ni akorwo agicia ndeto cia tiga andu na gikeno kinene. Ndeto she has not been shy to show off ati nima ni araramitie mihaka yake. Winrose quit her TV job on Inoro TV and ever since ndakoretwo agicoka na thutha na ni akoretwo agiprove to her fans ati arathio na mbere na kwaramia mihaka yake even more. Oroho female Kikuyu artist wa Kamushedo ni athiete na mbere kwamukira wendo munene muno kuma kuri fans ake, kuona ni arakorirwo agiconfirm ndeto makiria ati ndeto ici fans marakoretwo speculate for a long time ati nima finally Washuka has indeed confirmed ati she is expecting her first child, kuona her fans ni marakoretwo makigeria guess if at all this is true. Winrose Wangui ni aragikorirwo akiamukira gemi nene muno kuma kuri fans ake thutha wa ndeto iria aragikorirwo akimauburira ati ni aruguritie cukuru wake mweru Lawin Technical College na cukuru athiete na mbere na kugathiriria thiini wa radio stations na kinyagia ma TV mwanya mwanya akigathiriria cukuru uyu niguo kuona ati mbeu njithi ni magutaukwo of opportunities iria iri guku, andu makihurira Winrose ruhi ni undu wa guthie na mbere na kwararamia mihaka yake na nima ni undu wa kwaga gwikindira handu hamwe, kuona she has proved that she has many multiple entrepreneurial skills na ni athiete na mbere na kuhingura mirango yake iria ironania andu ati nima gutire mwisho wa kaundu na we niwe ndereba wa muturire waku. Gukinya ndeto icio hau, make sure you turn on your notification or subscribe niguo tukanyitanira in all our updates.